So hi guys and welcome back to another Scratch tutorial video. Today we are going to start looking at the code step by step, like first motion then looks. So first of all, there's the move 10 steps block. It's a very popular block because we need to move sprites very much. So like if I click on it, look, it moves. Right now I'm not using the event, so I don't click the flag, I just click the block. You can change the number easily. Let's make it 99 and then click on it. You can see that. Then there's turn degrees. Like you can turn 15 degrees. Then you can reverse it and you can change the number in this too. So here it is. And go to random position. So like it'll go anywhere like this, or you can go to mouse pointer. It'll go to the direction of my mouse. Actually, if I change the block here, and then it will come over here to follow my mouse pointer, and go to X negative 240 Y negative 180. So like it automatically shifts, as I told you before, to this X and Y position it is currently in. So if I click it, nothing will happen because it's in the position. No, that's too much. Okay, now let me click on it. And here it is. And then this glide block. It's like not walking but gliding. Glide 1 seconds to random position and glide 1 seconds to this position. Okay, so this is point in direction 90. It's like reverses this effect. It's normal again. You can change it with this, or you can just type in a value. Point towards my center is basically the same one, but it like points towards it. In this block, it went towards it, but right now it's just pointing towards my mouse pointer. Look here. Okay, and then there's change X by 10. You can gradually change its position. Set X to 54, and the same for Y. And this is like, this is a very useful block. If you just are on the edge, like make the move block. No, we don't want to attach these both. If I make it move 67 steps, and then I do this, it will keep on going. So if an edge bounce, so it will bounce back when it goes on an edge. Let me do this. Let's join these two blocks. And look, it bounced back from the edge, which like you have to keep the game in the area. And then set rotation style left, right, all around. Let me see. We have to rotate it. So no, remove this one. And then change it to left, right. And don't rotate. I won't rotate now. So yes, that's it, except for like let me try this. Yes. Now you see, it's like I shifted the X and Y. I changed the X position to Y and Y position to X. This is like basically you can use this for any other block. I'll tell you later when we do the other motion other than motion. And now let's take direction. Nope. We'll have to use that later when we learn more blocks. Now we go to looks. Yeah, you can do this undo to undo the last thing you did. Redo to redo the last thing you do. You can add comments and blocks like this. You can like remove, delete, or duplicate a command. You can delete 16 blocks, okay, or you can clean up blocks. I'll show you. Like if I put it like this and put this like this, clean up blocks, it will take them to a normal position, not flying in the middle. Okay, so this is like say hello for a specified period of time. I will say hello for 2 seconds. But if I just click this, I won't stop saying hello. Think. This is like does the same thing but in this way, as if it's thinking. And this is to switch the costume. And yeah, if you want to make it look like it's walking, you can do with this. But if you just want to change its position, so you can do this. And this is the same for a backdrop. And you will have to add backdrops for that. And it will be basically the same thing. And then there's change size by 10. It will get bigger. And then set size to 100% to go back to its original size. You can change the sprite's color in mid-game. And you can make a fisheye effect. And a whirl effect. And a pixelated effect. Oh my god. Mosaic effect. So like it's kind of really good. Scratch is a really good website. And then there's a brightness, and you can go ghost effect, and you can set color effect to 0 to make it normal. No. Fisheye effect 0, so no fisheye effect. Whirl effect. Pixelate effect. So yeah. And then this block, clear holographic effect, so it goes back to normal. These are two very commonly used blocks, show and hide. Show, hide, show. And then go to front layer. It's when you have multiple layers. Right now we don't have multiple layers. Okay, so this is around, I'll tell you these blocks later. And then let's go to sound. It's, okay, so costumes like we were doing over here. Like choose a costume from the gallery. It's quite a pretty gallery, and then there's the themes over here. And each sprite has its own costume. You can make one, and like you can make one. This is the mouse. This is like the brush tool. You can change the thickness. You can change the color. This is the eraser tool. You can change the thickness of the eraser. Fill color. You can change its fill. Like color red. Darkest red I can make. No. But if you want to make black and white, there are like special ones. So go to color 0, saturation 100, brightness 0 for black, but reverse the brightness and saturation for white. And then these are different themes you can do. This means no fill, and this means nice. Yeah, you can choose the same color. There's this text option, write anything, just randomly. line tool, you can do this circle tool, and this rectangle tool. Okay, so now I'm going to this, and if I want to, I can press shift. I can select the rectangle, and then I can group those both, and I can ungroup them. And then if I want to do something, wait, come on, I can make this line come forward like this. No, wait. They're the same color, so you can't realize it. So I change the fill. Yes. Now it should go backward. It did. It should come forward. It did. You can delete an object. You can copy an object and paste it. Front back, same thing. You can flip an object horizontally and vertically. So yes. You can undo your changes. You can change the costume name. Then it's surprise. It picks up a random costume. Then you can upload one from your computer, or you can make it a camera, and you can convert animates to bitmap, which brings up other tools. Let's use the one we learned. Delete 40 blocks. Okay, and I like that cool effect when it does. And then sounds, we'll do that later. And how to rename a project, simply go here and type anything like Scratch, and to share it you can just click here. The flag is this, and if you want to stop it you can do this. You can change the sprite name, XY, size, direction from here while editing. And that's it for now. In the next video I'll explain more about Scratch and the sound events, etc.